welcome back to my channel. So it's CraftyBonbons time box. I'm a bit late in posting this because this is supposed to be the April box, and I'm filming this in the last week of April, and I do apologize for that, but here I am sharing the box, and we'll soon be sharing the new box at some point. Anywho, I think this month's, if my memory is correct, box, as you can see, is like retro floral type theme. So there would be lots of pops of color, yellows, oranges, and teal or something. I think that's teal. So as you can see, I've got my initial in a die cut form, and let's get to it. So CraftyBonbons, as you know, is a collaboration of two shops, Bonbons Kawaii and Crafty Ali on Etsy, and they created this box. It's like it's not a subscription box, but every month they release the boxes with themes, with new themes, and they have a Facebook group, and that's where they'll share the sneak peeks. They do some giveaways in there. They share some ideas how to use the box. Us members, or some of the members, would be sharing how they use the contents of the box. I will leave the link to the Facebook group in the description box below, so you can join the fun. And here we are. Oh wow. So that is the information about the box. So that's a Facebook group address, and that's about the two shops collaboration, and who they are on Etsy, or they're linked to the Etsy page or shops. But I said I'll put it in the description box below. I'm really sorry, I'm so all over the place. Do forgive me, but I'll try my best to rein myself in and be more kind of like organized and put together. Sorry. So you get an instruction for your adhesive vinyl, because somewhere in this box is an adhesive vinyl as well, but I'll point it out as we get to it. So the first thing that I have grabbed is a packet of die cuts in the color theme. They're all retro, so wow, I love it. So unique, love, make your move, free spirit. Oh, I love that heart. Good vibes only, rainbow, a star, choose happy. It's like very hipster, hippie, groovy. So it's very retro. Love that. And then you get adhesive labels that you can put on your mail, or you can use it as a journal spot. Oh, it's upside down. Or you can put it on the envelope if you're sending someone a happy mail. You can put their address there. You get 4 on each box. So I have, by the way, I have the A4 box. Always order an A4 box, but because they have different sizes, sorry. Right, this is a packet of bits and bobs. So you get die cuts. Love that. Oh, you've got a little oh god, I want to say patch, but it isn't. It's like a do you know what I mean? It's like a little patch, isn't it? Applique, that's it, that's the word. A rainbow applique, a rainbow kind of like sticker, more die cuts, die cut shape, so that's good for like movies and stuff. Movie little square thing, and this is a love, and I think it folds out into like a tab. And another one there in orange. Lovely. Okay, so let's put that onto one side. And then you get journaling cards as well, again in retro. Oh god, this is so beautiful. Kind to your mind. I love these little daisies. Oh goodness. And what is this? Oh, it's a die cut, but it's like bubbles, like speech bubbles in different shapes. Let's see. Yeah, speech bubbles. So cute. Wow. So you get loads in here. Oh, I like these speech bubbles. And then these are self-adhesive stickers as well. And they're little kind of like note things that you can put on your layouts or your planners or your journals. Put like journaling, little journaling spots. Let's get loads. Oh, I like this sunshiny thing. Oh my days, this is so pretty. It looks like you get almost, is it 2 of each? You get loads basically. Oh dear. Right, let's do that. Oh, here are the vinyls. So you get that one. I'm not old, I'm retro. I love it. I am gonna put that. Oh, I'm gonna use this on my birthday. Oh, I love this camera. So those are your vinyls. And you get a little bow planner clip. You get sweets. No. I think because it's Easter, they sent us like Easter chalkies. So I'm gonna put that to one side. And in this packet is some tags. I love it. I love that. I love those sweets. Little Easter sweets. There we go. And then I have got Papermate Ink Joy pens. And I'm guessing they're orange and red. Let me just see. Yeah, that's red. Love it. And that is orange. Love it. Love that. And then you get a roll of washi tape. Now I am sure that this may vary from box to box. Someone may have a different washi tape for me, but this is what I've got and I love it. And then you get, they're like puffy stickers and they're like really foiled. Love that. And oh, here comes the sun. Oh, I love this. I wish the sun is here. It's April and still cold, but that's a good kind of like something to put in your journals during the summertime, or even when the sun documenting about the sun coming. And then you get washi tape sample things. So if you can fill that with lots of washi tape that you can use whilst you're traveling, your traveler journal, and you can just pop it in the pocket so it's not too bulky. And then you get a sheet of stickers. I like this. I might be able to use some of this in my tiny TN. So if you look at it, ooh, yeah, they're okay. I might use those for a page or two, but I love them. They're so pretty. And then I always ask for A5 notebooks now, because I'm using more and more my A5 Traveler's Journal. So I've got this. So it's yellow pages inside. And then you get a letter set as well. And I believe, get 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. And that goes hand in hand with these ones. They're really cool. And then last but not least is your paper. Oh, got that. 6x6 paper. That is pretty. And then these are, oh my god, you just don't know. So this is a cardstock, and this is quite thick, and the paper is just so luxurious. It's just so, oh, I don't know, smooth. It's just really, as I said, luxurious. And this is a paper. Again, for paper, it's thick, and again, it's so smooth. This one, oh, I like these. It's like a circusy type thing, retro circus. That's another thick cardstock. Oh, lovely. This is cool. That one. This is a paper. And this is another paper. Oh my days, this is so cute. So this is another paper. Oh, yeah, very thick paper. And the last one is another thick paper. Oh wow, wow, that is it, guys. That's my April Crafty Bonbons box, and I hope you like what I shared, and please do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. As I said earlier, I'll put a link to the Facebook group on the description box so you can join us. And yeah, thank you so much for dropping by and joining me. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a lovely day. Bye.